Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Java installer download failed error on Windows 10. Type Java download in browser search bar. Click Java Oracle. Click Java download. Click See all Java downloads. First find your system type, type MS-Info32 in Windows search bar. Click System Information. My system type is 64 based. Open downloaded file. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.